Hi, good morning, everyone. I'm Lou, and I'm recording this video because I'd like to teach or to share my knowledge about AutoCAD. If you are someone who wanted to learn AutoCAD, or if you're a drafting student or um, architecture students and who wanted to learn how to use the AutoCAD software, the Revit, the Lumion, and the SketchUp, I can help you with that. You can message me what are the things that you wanted to learn about AutoCAD. I can show you the actual workspace and how to use all the commands of AutoCAD. Actually, there are lots of commands in AutoCAD, but I will I can make video those command which is very useful. Like there are commands in AutoCAD. It's like every time you use it, like line, uh, rectangle. That's the basic command. Like it's basic, but it is the common most used command in the AutoCAD. I can teach you that, and also I can teach you Revit if you wanted to learn in SketchUp. I can just let me know. Just comment in this message what are the software that you want to learn. I can teach you the AutoCAD, the Lumion, the SketchUp, and the Revit. So um the the AutoCAD, it's like when you do 2D, you can do 2D, but to make 3D, you have to make 3D from the 2D drawing that you created. Unlike the Revit, that while you're doing the 2D, at the same time you also have 3D. So I think it's a huge advantage for Revit, but AutoCAD is very useful too, especially for technical drawings, like providing the technical drawings. It's very useful. So I really wanted to teach since I'm home. I'm making this video because I want to teach. I want to share my knowledge. I want to share all the things that I learned about AutoCAD. And if you're a beginner, yeah, this is if you're a beginner, I can really help you. And just message me and just message me or chat me there and communicate with me. If you wanted to learn AutoCAD, I can make video for you. Have a good day. That's all.